Hello, students! Welcome to the Grade 9 Exploration New Curriculum. Are you ready to discover the invisible world that makes you, you?
Today, we begin Chapter 2, The Cell, the Building Block of Life. We're going to explore these amazing microscopic factories.
Imagine Earth. 3 billion years ago.
Life didn't start in the deep sea,
but in the small water pools, hot springs, like Puga Valley, Ladakh, India.
In heat that would boil almost anything. Meet the thermophiles, the original survivors. Single-celled, heat-loving, and thriving. Scientists from the Birbal Sahni Institute of Paleosciences, Lucknow, studied minerals formed a shield against radiation, shaping the very first breath of life by forming the first protective membrane, NCERT, the barrier that defines a cell.
Zoom past the limits of sight into the world of the ultra-small.
This is a prokaryote, a simple, ancient, single-celled wonder.
No fancy nucleus here, just a nucleoid floating right in the cytoplasm. Minimal, tough, and the very foundation of all life on Earth.
But then,
life leveled up. Welcome to the eukaryotic city. A true nucleus holds the blueprints, protected and organized. Millions of cells, specialized and working in perfect harmony, similar cells performing similar functions, forms tissue. Combined, these systems create a living, breathing person, where the tiny cell remains the master of it all. So, the cell is the structural and functional unit of body.
From plants to people, you are a masterpiece of billions.
Step into the lab. Let's see what a standard microscope can do.
Adjust the focus. Click that 10x objective lens into place.
Combine the lenses for 100 times the magnifying power. Behold, the building blocks of an onion, organized and clear.
Now, we go beyond light, to where electrons reveal the unseen.
At the nanometer scale, the world looks completely different. Every fold of the cristae and every ribosome is now visible. This is life at its most detailed, remarkably clear, simply fundamental.
Have you ever wondered how scientists measure something so small that you can't even see it with the naked eye? Today, let's estimate the size of a cell.
Step 1. Place a transparent millimeter ruler on the microscope stage and focus. We need to measure our circular field of view. Look through the eyepiece and measure the diameter. For our example, let's say the visible circular field is exactly 5 millimeters wide. Next, swap the ruler for a prepared slide of an onion peel. Adjust your focus until the beautiful, brick-like plant cells become clearly visible. Now, count the number of cells that lie directly across that exact same diameter line. Suppose we count 25 cells perfectly lined up.
Divide our field diameter of 5,000 micrometers by the 25 cells. This tells us that each onion cell is roughly 200 micrometers long. And just like that, using simple math, you've measured the microscopic world.
Keep exploring.